In the absence of a formal brief, the renovation of an apartment began with a mere floor plan and some images, alongside the homeowner's aspiration to refresh the space while maintaining the plumbing layout. Despite uncertainties, the homeowners provided inspiration photos hinted at preferences, aiding in the design process. The kitchen posed the greatest challenge due to its narrow layout, limited counter space, and complicated piping. Overcoming hurdles like gas pipes, the designer successfully optimized the space, providing ample countertop area and storage. The bathrooms, with outdated fixtures and inconvenient layouts, underwent significant transformations, offering more functionality and aesthetic appeal. Material selection played a pivotal role in elevating the home's ambience. From luxurious quartzite and marble to rich woods and metal finishes, each element was meticulously chosen to create a cohesive narrative. Standout features include quartzite and honed marble surfaces in the kitchen, alongside fluted glass accents in the dining area. Detailed specifications outline the materials and furnishings utilized in various spaces, from custom millwork to designer lighting and furniture selections. Each room reflects a curated blend of textures, colors, and finishes, contributing to the overall design narrative. From the bespoke kitchen cabinetry to the luxurious primary and soot, every aspect of the renovation showcases a meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to creating a space that seamlessly blends style with functionality.